Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, you're looking at something truly wild, a next-level reimagination of the Honda CR-V. What if your everyday family SUV looked like it just rolled off a sci-fi movie set? This isn't just a simple facelift, this is an evolution. The CR-V you see here has been transformed into a futuristic beast. From the aggressive stance to the hyper-detailed body lines, every inch screams performance and modern luxury. The matte metallic silver paint, contrasted with glossy black panels and red accents, gives it a bold, high-performance identity that most SUVs can only dream of. Let's talk about that front fascia. Sleek LED headlamps that flow seamlessly into the grille, which now features sharp angles and a red accent strip running through it, a detail that adds a touch of sportiness. The front bumper has been redesigned with deep air intakes and aerodynamic fins that give it a performance car vibe. The wheels are a whole different story. Oversized black alloy rims with ultra-low profile tires and red brake calipers popping through, it's a showstopper. These wheels alone elevate the CR-V to concept car status. They're bold, they're aggressive, and they completely change the personality of this vehicle. Take a closer look at the hood. The reflection of the glass ceiling above creates this mirror-like finish that really brings the realism to life. You almost forget you're looking at a render. Around back, the lines continue with a sleek, coupe-like roofline, integrated roof spoiler, and bold rear diffuser. This isn't your typical CR-V, it's a vision of what Honda could do if they let their designers go full savage. What makes this concept even more captivating is how balanced it is. It doesn't go overboard. It still holds onto that CR-V DNA, the practicality, the SUV silhouette, but turns up the volume on style, presence, and attitude. Imagine driving this through the city. Heads would turn. Cameras would come out. It's the kind of design that breaks the norm, and honestly, that's what we're here for at MVP Auto. So, what do you think? Should Honda take more risks like this in their design language? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into custom builds, concept cars, or just love seeing what's possible when creativity meets engineering, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.